Hello everybody, today we're going to be installing Windows XP on this HP Elite Book 8460p. This originally came with Windows 7. It actually has an Intel Core i7, second generation. This originally came with an i5. And yeah, this has 8 gigabytes of RAM. And this thing is super difficult to get into. You have to do a total of that and that. And then you have to do that. And that. Look at how many screws I had to take out. So there we can see our fan and our heatsink. I actually applied fresh thermal paste, so that's all good to go. 2 4 gigabytes of RAM, sticks, DVD drive, and the SSD, which I'm going to be swapping out for a hard drive. As much as I'd love to see Windows XP run on an SSD, this has an install of Windows 10 on it. I don't want to lose it. So I have to hunt for a hard drive to put in here. And here is my collection of hard drives. You can see the sun is making a nice effect in the video. Got the Seagate Barracuda 500 gigabyte. This ain't gonna work in here, I don't think. We got this Hitachi 5400 RPM. That's not so great. What's in here? I probably put it in here because it's special. Is this still sealed? Oh no. So yeah, imagine opening up an SSD box and finding a hard drive. Yeah, that's a great disappointment. What's in here? A Toshiba. It is, it always takes me a bit to find where the label is for the storage. There we go, 320 gigabyte. What speed is this? 5400 RPM. Here we got a terabyte hard drive. I assume this would be 7200 RPM, but I have a feeling I have like an install of Windows or something on here I don't want to get rid of. I don't know. I guess it's worth sacrificing. I haven't looked at it in years, so I probably don't even miss it. Now, before you guys yell at me, I know I'm not using the bracket just because this is temporary. I do not feel like undoing screws. Oh, crap. There we go. And this is metal. It's like plastic coated metal. It's built really well, even though that's missing a little vent line. Oh crap, this has Windows 11 on it. I have a feeling I don't have too much on this. Oh yeah, I have a total of Chrome setup. Yeah, I looked through here a bit. There's nothing really on here. I would gladly replace this with Windows XP. So I got my very legitimate copy of Windows XP. You can tell that's Comic Sans font. And let's open this up. Now you might be saying, wait, why aren't you using a USB? Well, I'm pretty sure this blue screens when I try to use USB to boot the Windows XP setup, so let's just do it this way. What if we run the setup in Windows 11? Will the thing even come up? I know it won't install this way. Oh, it does work. That looks so weird on Windows 11. Learn more about the setup process. Perform additional tasks. Check system compatibility. Yeah, I can't do much there. Anyways, let's boot this from the disk and see what it actually does. Alright, so let's power it back up and mash F9. The boot menu on HP computers is usually F9, and on Dell's it's usually F11, at least on the ones I have. I don't know about the newer ones. And this has a mouse BIOS, which is fancy. Notebook upgrade bay. That's what it calls the DVD drive. Press any key. Where is the any key? Let's cross our fingers it doesn't blue screen. This part always annoys me. Okay, so what if I change the mode of the hard drive? Can I do that on this? I think that might be required to change it from normal mode to like compatibility mode. I forgot what it's called. F10 BIOS setup. Yeah. This is a really weird BIOS. There we go. SATA device mode. I think I should change that to IDE. If I were to guess. Okay. Save. Yes. Okay, then exit. Yes, save changes. Now I'm gonna have to wait through the boot process again and see if it actually works. Come on, please work. Please work. And there we go. Enter. I agree. There's our massive hard drive. Delete everything. This would be painful without quick format. Imagine if I was trying to install Windows 2000. Oh, dear Lord. Honestly, the speed of this hard drive should be plenty for XP. I don't even think it'll be too much of a bottleneck. I mean, yes, it'll probably be the bottleneck, but come on, it's XP. I wonder if this will take full advantage of the i7. Well, obviously not, because it's 32-bit. And I know I won't get all the RAM working either because it's 32-bit. But I really don't feel like burning a 64-bit DVD I actually have it on for whatever reason. But I don't feel like burning a 64-bit Windows XP CD because I just don't have any other uses for it. And this will be perfectly fine. So I guess I'll just cut to the end of this installation. I mean, it won't be insanely fast because we're still going from an optical drive. So that's going to be the limiting factor of the speed. So it's not anything too special. It's weird seeing this setup on a 2013 laptop without any white bar up here indicating that you're in a virtual machine or something. So yeah, I'll see you once this is installed. And there, it's installed. Obviously, there won't be any drivers because this hardware was never meant to run XP, or more vice versa. XP was never meant to run on this hardware. I apologize for the weird pattern on the screen. I don't know what I can do about that. But here we go. Windows XP. Look at that. Look at that. Our usage is a line. That's awesome. So I got my external USB hard drive, which is also a terabyte, with a useful program called Snappy Driver. And that basically just has drivers and it installs it automatically. I have the full version, so it's like 30 gigabytes. Let's see if I can plug this into the USB 3 port. Will this work? All right, let's plug it into the 2.0 port. Later. No. There we go. And there's all our stuff. So if we go to properties, wow, detects the i7. We go to hardware, device manager, and see we need like everything just about. And I think it has quite a bit here, so let's just go to select all. I don't really want to create a restore point. Now let's install all 30. What is this? I have no idea what that means. Will it let me continue? I don't care about the fingerprint scanner. And yeah, this actually has a fingerprint scanner right there. Just go like that. Haven't been able to get it to work on Windows 10, so I don't blame XP for not working. Did it crash? No, it's still down here. So it's installing Bluetooth. Okay, it seems like it's continuing. I'll let this run and then I'll catch you guys back once it's done. Hopefully it works. What? Are you serious? Is it really not going to get the Wi-Fi? Well, that sucks. I guess for this video I could just like use my computer Ethernet bridge and plug it in that way, but that's unfortunate. It's almost done. Yeah. Just about. I don't like seeing that. I think that means it doesn't install it. Oh boy. I'm sure Windows XP is not liking all of the devices on this computer. Come on, we're almost done. And some of them are saying successfully installed, system restart required. Are you kidding me? What is that? That's not Ethernet. Anyways, what I was saying, some of them say system restart required. So it has the graphics, but obviously they're not installed. But once I restart it, the graphics driver should kick in, as well as some other drivers. Is this done now? It is not. So it finished, and these are the things that it wasn't able to get, which some of them are kind of important, so that is not great to see. But anyways, let's restart this. unplug the hard drive. Let's restart this and see if any of this works. That looks much better. Oh, okay. What if I just go through this? It's accessing the DVD. Look at that performance. 2%. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna get all the devices. Yeah, a problem. I had a feeling this thing was gonna be a problem. Let's go into the device manager again and see what it wasn't able to get. That thing. Wi-Fi and an unknown device. Honestly though, that's pretty good. It even has like the Bluetooth logo here. It's kind of weird to see on Windows XP. Anyways, let's, I don't know, mess around with Windows XP on this computer. Let's tour XP.
Welcome to Windows XP from Microsoft.
I would imagine this would have no problem running. Alright, let's see. As you would expect. Let's try to get this on the internet. So I have to grab a cable, grab the Ethernet cable off my iMac G3. Here it is. Just got the G3 sitting over there. I got the Ethernet cable from it coming up from my main computer, which I should turn that on. Let's plug this in wherever the Ethernet port is. There we go. Preparing to stand by. No, wake up. Beautiful noise. It's thinking about it. Did it work? Let's find out. It doesn't look like it worked. Oh, never mind. There we go. We got Google. So yeah, you can get internet through Ethernet. And well, yeah, there you have it. There's Windows XP running on the EliteBook 8460p. Okay then. You could imagine this would run any Windows XP known to man. And I don't think there's anything else to really show with this. It obviously doesn't work perfectly, and it's not designed to run XP. It's designed for Windows 7 and later. But you can somewhat get an XP experience on here, which isn't too great. It's fast though, but not everything will work. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It has been very interesting. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, this thing has been sitting for minutes and it's still trying to shut down. Yeah, this is pretty broken.